Yo, I'm busy. Back again with another video. Guess where we are? Yeah, you can see the sign in the back, isn't it? You can see where we are. He's like guy there. FC. Anyway, Ikea is rammed and packed. Where? Trust me. Flip, man. Raining. I didn't bring no coat and that. Who cares? I don't care. But anyway, we're gonna see what the day brings us. Okay. I thought you were going to get a candle, dude. Right, make sure you get a basket or toilet, because I'm not holding nothing. Just let you know that. You're here, do your stuff.
Hold on 1 minute, I don't miss the garden.
But anyway, I'm out. Hurry up, man, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're serving, boss man. I think he works here. But anyway.
Let's take the stairs and get a chair. Put your watch on.
Yes, I did. She thinks that she can beat me in challenges, so we do a Fitbit. Don't worry, man. So we do a Fitbit challenge. And she thinks she's going to beat it, but she's not going to beat you at these Fitbit challenges. Okay? I'm always going to win. Okay. Whatever you say, Gemma. So you. But anyway, this is where we argue or bust or banter in Ikea. What's the way? How am I going to fit through there? I've got to bend down.
You'll fit, go on. Send you a shark.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Oh, it's got a zip, look.
Gemma's new friend.
Look, it's got a zip. Look, it's got a zip. Come on. Wardrobes, because all our clothes don't fit in our room.
Why?
You got junk?
No, I haven't got junk. My stuff ain't junk. She thinks, yeah, that my stuff is junk. It's not junk. I've got quality stuff. I've got good stuff. Trust me, yeah. Stuff I've got there, you got to wear. Trust me, yeah. Trust me. Walking around looking at certain stuff.
I want to change everything, basically.
So punch on the new kitchen.
No, not new kitchen.
Pow! Just basically walking around. She said to me that she's going to get candles and something else and a sausage roll. So basically just waiting. So a hot dog, a hot chocolate, and well, I'm not on hot chocolate.
You're all going to be cutting down?
Okay, oh yeah, because we're on diet now.
No, you've got high cholesterol.
Yes, I don't care. And I can lose weight, it's not a problem. Hey, where's my geek coming, man?
Oh, probably Monday.
Yeah, you haven't come, man. Today's Saturday. My son's birthday. Anyway, great activity. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice time. That get me. Man loves you. They love you. Get me. To know that they love you, Reggie. And make sure you do watch this video. Trust me, my son. Anyway, and tell Tallulah love her too, right? Tallulah, they love you as well, okay? Boom. Anyway, just walking around, man. So I know soon I won't get hungry, I won't get thirsty. There's something.
Look, like you.
What does?
The picture.
So that's what you dare do.
The picture on the wall. No, that one.
Oh, whatever, man. Trying to look like a fucking ball. What? You can talk. Miss Dumpful, whatever her name is.
I own that. I 100% own that. The phones for you advert, Scary Mary.
Phone for, what's it? Phones for you. Yeah. Remember that? The phone for you advert? Apparently, Gavin looked like the one from
Scary Mary.
Scary Mary.
People Scary Mary phones for you.
I think that could something.
Oh, look. Look at this.
That could be my new thing.
What?
My new drink thing.
No, let me drink you.
You're not my mum. You don't tell me what to
You
do.
have non-alcoholic.
Think she's my mum. Tell me what to do, you know.
Yeah, I do.
Really?
I will tell you what to do.
No, you won't. And the thing I'm gonna listen to you.
Yeah,
Of course
will.
not. Told you, man. Man's back now. Trust me, man's back. Start vlogging. I'm gonna vlog it in the house. Out. Trust me, I'm gonna walk around and vlog. That's my new thing now, vlogging. So people know what man's about. Trust me. Oh man. This is like for offices and all that stuff. Why are you around here for?
But trust me, I get ideas.
Well, I'll let you do your house and things. Anyway, you'll see that in a minute. So, wait a minute. I was just with Jem just a minute ago. I was doing something on my phone.
I'm here.
Come back home alone, so I was on my phone. But Kevin Callister was on his camera on my phone. So I'm on my phone, I was doing something. Next minute, I've lost Gemma. I'm like, where's this girl? But the thing with this girl, she just walks off. She doesn't say nothing. When I'm with her, she just walks off. Like, I'm doing something. Next minute, I've lost her. Can't find her. She doesn't wait. She just like walks off. She doesn't tell me what she's doing. She just walks off. She doesn't say, "Oh, wait," or "What I'm doing, babe," or "Wait." She just walks off to her own thing. Don't do your thing. Because when I get lost, I can't find you. There you go. See what I'm saying? She's so rude. Just do your thing. Don't chat to me. Can't even, I keep getting lost. Like getting lost. Can't find her.
There's arrows on the floor. It's a one-way
Alright, you think
system.
I'm phoning arrows? Am I?
Well, everyone has to. It's one-way.
But I'm not. I'm different. I do my own thing. You know. Anyway, this video's up tonight, trust me. After I've done it, it's going up tonight. Huh? Oh, she's buying something for herself, buying something for her son.
It's fine. It's fine. Leave it open. Leave it open.
Yeah. Open.
Sorry.
It's open now. It's open.
No, it's alright. It's alright. Daniel, this room, but it's not stuck on the line. Hello? It doesn't say look where all the bits are. It's not drawers though. It's like shoe racks at the bottom. It's like
There's two shots on now. About something.
they're not usually like it.
Yeah. So that's the thing that her son wants what she's buying. But yeah. Just let you know, Barton's back now. I can start vlogging. I'm gonna vlog every day. Vlog at home, after work, or maybe in work. Nah, I won't do that. I'm joking around. But yeah, so I'm back. I'm start doing stuff, challenges, watch, it's on, it's game on. Remember that I said you, LBV is back, baby. Trust me. Pow. She keeps walking around and not telling me nothing. What's this now?
This one's got two rails, and then that.
She's telling me about these drawers, or these set of drawers, or wardrobe. In the box though.
We're not doing very well with that, are
Then
we?
what I did at first was to put our clothes in a box. Now to get like
Kallax cube storage.
now to get chest of drawers or wardrobes. Make up your mind and make it make sense. Make up your mind. Trust me, so you do. Like you put our clothes in a effing box. Now you're gonna get a wardrobe. Why don't you get a walking wardrobe?
Because you don't have a room.
Tell them to get a walking wardrobe.
How
A walk-in wardrobe.
This way your flat's a walk-in.
Wait.
Oh, see that? The light's up when you open the door. That is sick.
I swear, yeah. This has got this one here, one like this. Trust me.
It's all the same combination. You basically just choose which option you want.
Look at this. Or another wardrobe.
Lee, my bag that you got me just randomly come undone. I can't even get that off when I try it. How weird's that?
Listen, be careful with that, trust me. The one is the another one that died. Be careful with that, trust me. I'm get another one. Be careful. If someone get hurt, just break them.
No, I don't.
If it comes, don't look after.
No, don't.
If it comes, don't look after. Trust me. You got nice stuff, yeah.
No.
You need to look a bracelet.
No, it just come undone.
How? Too tight, just can't come undone. Can't come. Your bracelet can't just come undone.
Well, it did.
Too tight, can't come on. You can't get it off
I can't
anyway.
even get it off by myself.
That's true. Try and break it. I bought her.
Don't try and wind me up.
Get a go and knife with it. They only do it. It come undone. How? It can't. It's come undone. How about that?
1, 2, 2, 3.
Smoking and all the music. Bear with me. I've just seen something I can do. I've just seen something. Oh my days. Boom, watch this. Watch what I do. Put it into his neck. What? So what?
Do you dare me to go through the tunnel?
They're just friends.
Mwah.
They're friends.
Do you dare me to go through the tunnel?
Trust me. I will walk on this guy and walk on him. That should stop being silly. What's wrong with you, man? The nigga very silly. A big grown girl starts throwing football in the place.
Go through the tunnel with him, innit?
Go on then, go through the tunnel. Look, even Blackman's got a tunnel. Monkey's hand. 2 months. Nah. Nearly. Oh! Really? 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 Oh, got on for you. Go down the top of the bunk beds.
It's put together properly.
It's really
The
good.
lad is blocked. Hold that, I have to climb up here.
There you go.
No, look, that's not put together properly, look. Oh, no, you're not.
No, if I got it, it'll break. 100% that will break. That will break, bro. So, I'm not going to chance that. I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to literally do there.
Little bed.
Oh, yeah. Kids lying down.
Got the right ideas.
They're just a new sleepy boy. Trust me. I'm not trying down the bed too. I'm not going a nap, boy. Trust me. I'm a nap, boy. Now I'm on his bed, boy. Where? Where?
One under the clouds.
This is for kids. Why are you in this room for? Are you pregnant or something like that?
No, you have to go through, you've got to put the arrow.
I'm for no arrow. What did you throw the arrows for? Oh. What's that, man? What's this guy doing? Fucking. And to get her back, I'm gonna get her. Watch me. I'm gonna get her. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pow! Oh shit. Get a bucket and put it to her head. Trust me. You don't think them right there. Get a bucket, put it to her head.
James also in the wardrobe to get rid of them.
Was it?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, I don't know what he wants.
Yeah, they had it.
Oh yeah?
That one.
Walking around, I can't get my nerves now. I'm walking around. I thought to break someone, chill. I need a bucket, man. I need a bucket. I need to find a bucket. Trust me, a bucket. I'm just trying to bucket. Put it over her head. Help me find a bucket. I need a bucket. I need a bucket, so that's what I'm aiming for. If I find one. But trust me, that's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I might leave her. Try and leave her. Oh, it's 2-pack right here, man. It is. It's 2-pack used to be right here, man. Trust me. Oh, man.
This is not must be.
Yeah, this is long. Can't do this. It's too long, man. Just walk around and low to walk through.
Do you know what I mean?
Never get a heart attack, anyway. Like faint. Trust me, if you get a heart attack, she ain't ready for this, trust me. Better let her know now. Trust me, I need to let her know.
Do you know when they're living?
Whoa.
Should you stop walking off?
No, I think you should turn around now.
Why?
Just take for you. No,
Why?
no,
No, what's happening?
no, it's not for you.
Well,
No, it's not for you.
you've seen something. Who is it? What is
It's packed. You have a heart attack. You might faint. You'll collapse.
it? You
Right, remember what today? Let's go and start marrying. Because you haven't done like space. Like, it's packed. It's like carnival, packed.
That's why I just put on some shoes, I'll be alright.
Watch. I'm trying dirty wine one day, trust me. big Ikea boy, trying dirty wine, you know. Anyway, watch this space. So people, my idea, I just did this a minute ago, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to get his bucket and put it in his head. Like this. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get her again. I'm see if I can get her again. I doubt it. I'm trying to get her again. I can't see her, but I can see her. Trust me, she's there. I've got her. I need to get her. But it's really hard now. Like, fuck. I need to do it. Just fucking do it. Just do it. I just do it. Just do it. F it.
No, whatever it is.
Doesn't matter.
No, put the bin
Why?
away. Put the bin away.
This is a
It's still, no,
this is a prank, yeah? Look, that I'm gonna do to her. That's what the prank, but now she see the first, but you see it, but the first time I got it properly, I did well, I did do good. But I got it, but that was on into live. But no, don't worry. I'm winding up. I'm gonna get something. But this is what we do. We do stuff together. But yeah, you know what I do? Out here, doing my thing. What I do best. Boy. Huh? Tell you what happened. We'll stop when I get hungry, get a Thursday. What curry? But see, Gemma, just slide. Sometimes she has things up right up her sleeves and pop. They done it to me. So that's why I gotta make sure I stay close to her because I don't trust her. She thinks she just look. Oh, look at me in my eye. No, you haven't. No. She acts like these stunts. Oh, they're talking in my eye.
Seriously, the video.
Well, I can't see nothing in your eye.
We didn't look.
Imagine that man put a bit over her head.
There is something in my eye.
What's it?
Eyeball.
Think I'm scared of that? So push her the trolley.
There's something in my eye.
Oh. Okay, man, who cares? No one cares, man.
You want to go blind? I'm going to see who you are anymore.
So well. Anyways, done a few videos and that. And the boss, or I'll try it out tonight. I'll put some videos on back on YouTube. So you can watch and like and subscribe. Oh yeah, because I wonder why. Someone done it for me. But I'm supposed to do it. They don't do it.
Anymore. You just do it
I sent you the other day.
Yeah, and then you deleted it when I went to do it. It was gone.
No, I sent you to do it.
You deleted the video.
No, I don't think so.
You did. I'll show you.
Anyway, I'm going to do a video for the other day. I think it was just Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. I didn't do it. And soon I'm going to start doing some